everyone, today in this video we will learn about some most common medical terms. So watch the entire video. Here are some common medical terms, such as abdominal pain, pain in the abdomen, which is the area between the chest and the pelvis. Anemia, a condition in which the body does not have enough healthy red blood cells. Arthritis, a condition that causes inflammation of the joints. Asthma, a chronic condition that causes inflammation and narrowing of the airways. Back pain, pain in the back, which can be caused by a number of things, such as muscle strain, injury, or arthritis. Cancer, a group of diseases involving abnormal cell growth with the potential to invade or spread to other parts of the body. Chest pain, pain in the chest, which can be caused by a number of things, such as a heart attack, anxiety, or indigestion. Convulsion, a sudden, involuntary contraction of the muscles. Diabetes, a chronic condition that affects how the body turns food into energy. Fever, a body temperature that is higher than normal. Headache, pain in the head. Heart attack, a sudden decrease in blood flow to the heart muscle, which can cause damage or death to the heart muscle. Infection, a condition caused by the growth of harmful bacteria, viruses, or parasites in the body. Injury, a physical damage to the body caused by a sudden force. Jaundice, a yellowing of the skin and eyes caused by a buildup of bilirubin, a yellow pigment in the blood. Lung cancer, a type of cancer that starts in the lungs. Mental health, a person's emotional, psychological, and social well-being. Nausea, a feeling of sickness in the stomach that may or may not lead to vomiting. Obesity, a medical condition in which a person has a body mass index of 30 or higher. Pain, an unpleasant feeling caused by injury or illness. Pneumonia, an infection of the lungs that can be caused by bacteria, viruses, or fungi. Stroke, a sudden loss of brain function caused by a blockage or rupture of a blood vessel in the brain. Stomach flu, a viral illness that causes nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach cramps. Tumor, an abnormal growth of tissue. Urinary tract infection, an infection of the urinary tract which can affect the kidneys, ureters, bladder, or urethra. To enhance our confidence, please like this video, subscribe this channel, also hit the bell icon, and share with your friends. Thank you.